are going to my room here in the song, the Natureland song. My room is 203. 203. Let's enter. Okay. This is the view from the entrance. You have to insert your card first para sa power. Then this is the view from the door. Okay, let's start with the bed. Okay, we have a bed for two here. Comfy check. Comfy check. I think okay naman, malambot naman siya. So, ayan. Table. Meron ditong bedside table with a phone pagka may emergency. Then, napansin ko may free wifi. Hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kabilis. Then, let's move on with the mirror area. Ayan. Ito nga pala yung room natin for June 23 to June 26. Check-in time, guys, is 3 p.m. Hindi sila nagka-early check-in. Unfortunately. 3 p.m. pa ang check-in. Then, ang out ay 12 p.m. Okay? This is the mirror again. So, yan. Then, may lalagyan ng mga damit. May 2 slippers. Merong TV. You can put your luggages here. Then, let's see what's inside this. Okay, may ref. May ref siya. Let's see if may laman. May laman siya. I'm not sure kung free to or may bayad. 2 bottles of water. Then, ito, may sodas. If you like. Then, let's see. Okay, walang ice cream. Yeah. That's the ref. Trash can. Little table. 2 cups. Then, my teaspoon for the tea. Then, kettle. Then, ito. Again, I'm not sure kung may bayad pag nagalaw natin. 2 bottled waters. Then, may electric fan. Sadly, walang aircon. Kasi malamig daw dito. Paggabi. Pero ngayon naiinitan ako. Then, ito yung view natin sa labas. Nothing much. Okay? Just a simple view. Regular view. Ito, may balcony. Let's see kung anong meron. Nakalak ba? Okay, nakalak. Okay, guys. May ko. Ang bako. Char. Medyo mabaho siya. Ito yung view sa balcony. Oo, medyo mabaho talaga. Confirm. Medyo mabaho talaga, guys. Hindi ko kaya yung amoy. Sorry na. Okay. Kaya siguro mabaho. Parang may, doon. Mayroong, ano ba yun? Piggery something. Ito yung view niya dito. From the side. Medyo malamig. Mukhang uulan nga eh, oh. Tingnan mo yung tingnan mo yung sky. Maitim. Sad. Eto. Okay, pasok na tayo. Let's see the bathroom naman. Tchanan! Okay. Okay. Malinis. So far, malinis naman. Thankfully. Merong free toothbrush. Ano to? Comb. Shower cap. Kita niyo ba? Shower cap. Toothbrush, comb, shower cap. Okay, ano pa? Buds. Yan. Pero hindi na kayo magdala kung dito kayo mag-stay. 2 cups. Mirror view. Okay. Ito nagustuhan ko. May blower. Towel. Hindi ko alam. Meron akong disposable towel. Yun na lang gagamitin ko. Tapos, trash can. Ano to? May bidet. Yan, may bidet guys. Ano ba? Baka may surprise. Tiyari, wala. Okay. Ito yung shower area. So far, so good. Ang ayoko lang, wala silang aircon. Okay? Oops. Merong shampoo. Shampoo, I think. Yan. Shampoo. Ba't nakatalikod? And conditioner. Let's see if may laman. Uy, may laman. Ito. I think paubos na. Dito may baon akong conditioner. Shower. Meron kayang hot and cold. Let's see. Kung may hot. Gumagana ba? Naka-hot na guys. Tingnan natin kung mag-a-adjust yung temp. One, two, three. Malamig pa din. Malamig pa din siya. Design lang yung blue and red. Ano, may blue and red kasi siya eh. So, ayun. Expect na walang hot water. Yeah, that's our bathroom for 3 nights. Okay, verdict. Verdict naman. So far, nabook ko to for around, i-round off na natin. Butal kasi siya sa Agoda. Around 950 in pesos, I think. Agoda yon. Binook ko siya 2 weeks or 3 weeks before our flight. I suggest mag-book kayo in advance. Mas mura yung rates compare kung malapit na yung mismong flight nyo. Okay. Verdict. I'll rate this room around 8/10. Why? Because syempre kahit na malamig na, hindi naman consistent na malamig yung lugar. Tsaka kailangan na pabuksan yung mga bintana para ma-feel mo yung lamig. As you see kanina, medyo mabaho yung amoy sa labas nang binuksan ko. So, ayun lang yung downside na nakita ko. Walang aircon. Yan. Walang aircon. Pero so far, the amenities and all, the space, the cleanliness, okay siya. Yung concern ko lang, walang aircon. Okay. Na ano naman yon, na sabi naman yon in advance ng host na walang aircon. So yun, you might consider it before you book. Use my Agoda code, Nix David. Thank you.